Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you sky change video editing CapCut in PC. So first you need to put the video onto the timeline. For example, I'm taking this video as an example. Click on the plus icon and here I am selecting this video to replace the sky. Click on the plus icon, put on the top layer and adjust the video. After that, click on the top layer and go to the video, click on the mask and click on the add mask. Then click on the film strips and here you can drag it to the top side to adjust it and adjust the sky position. And after that, go to the again basics and click on the blend, and here is the default. You need to click on the dark. And now let's play it how it looks work, and let's play it. And here you can see that sky change video editing in CapCut. It's so simple. So I hope you understand the video. If you think you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.